Let's learn phonics short vowel E words. Let's practice some words that use the short vowel E. Ha, ha, a, thin, hen. Your turn. Superb. J, j. A, t, t. J, a, t. Jet. Your turn. Superb. P, p. A, t, t. Pet. Your turn. Superb. T, t. A, in, ten. Your turn. Superb. Puff, puff. A, in, pin, pin. Your turn. Superb. Ma, ma. A, in, men. Your turn. Superb. F, f. A, in, fin. Your turn. Superb. K, k. A, in, kin. Your turn. Superb. Congrats. You can now say hen, jet, pet, ten, pen, men, fen, can. Keep practicing.